Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create simple vector retro geometric pattern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal box shape. You can use eyedropper tool shortcut I to give color to box. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. You can pick color any shape with eyedropper tool. You can give different shades of blue color. Use direct selection tool to select anchor points. After selection of anchor points and move up, go to object menu and pattern and make. Title type grid. Adjust height. Click on done. Now retro pattern is ready. Now retro pattern is ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create pattern background in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.